Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is August 22nd, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's maximize this quarterly chart, resize it, and take a look and see what we see. The Russell was hot. That's what we see. The Russell is still green. The Russell is acting like it wants to make all-time highs. It looks like it's a little over $10 away from all-time highs. Will it do it next week? $10 is his magic number for the Russell. Yeah, I think it can. I think it can. We're just going to have to wait and see what actually happens there. All right, but let's go ahead and go down here to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, we can see that the Russell is still above the 9-10 moving average. That 9-10 moving average, which is this blue line right here, we're still above it, and it's still looking good. We actually got above a quarterly R1 level here. And we're fighting. We're gotten above these tops here. So again, we're going to be fighting this whole supply up here now. So we got to just see what's going to happen here with the Russell and all. That's what we see here. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, zoom in here, and I want to have that high in there just so you can see that we're not that far off that high. We only got a couple of weeks worth of selling back here and all that what's going on to break all-time highs on the Russell. It's may come a whole lot sooner than what I expected, but I don't think it's going to happen. We got another full week, and we got this resistance level 3 here on these monthly pivots. So again, I don't think we will be breaking it this month. Next month, though, we can see. Let me erase that. Let me zoom in here a little bit more now, where you can, and let me bring this down a little bit. What I'm looking at here and what I want to see is this level right here. Come next month, that's going to be our R1. And our R1 is just below, and let me just move this back a little bit. Our R1 is just below all-time highs. And I'm looking back over here at this right here. That's all-time highs, and this is R1. So come maybe next month, we may be looking at all-time highs. Because the Russell lately, when it's been running hot like this, it can zoom. It likes running above an R1 level. Pivot. That's R1, that's R1, that's R1. It likes running above R1 when it's running hot. And that's what I want to see is going to happen next month or not. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart, daily noise, and see what happened there. It was a crazy week for the Russell. Zoom in here like this and all. And the Russell, again, it was doing what we kind of expected after expiration. It actually almost gave us a bullish sign, right there, those two candles. But then we didn't get any confirmation here with this red candle here. So again, after that, really what you ended up with a bearish sign and all. It did give us a little bit of a confirmation, but again, that confirmation candle had a very strong bullish looking tail on it. This is the whole candle pattern thing that people why they don't like it. The next day, what you got was a bullish looking, like almost a bullish engulfing candle, and then you get a pro gap, the market gapping in the opposite direction. This little gap here, and breaking, last week's high. What a run! What a run! This is the big run for the Russell and all. So again, really wasn't expecting this. This is what we got. And again, if it's really this strong, can we make all-time highs come next month? That's what we're going to be looking at here. And that's pretty much all I have to share here today. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.